Hi everyone, today we will talk about commands inside MidJourney. We've been using commands this entire time. Imagine is the basic command while creating your images. So commands are just a way for us to interact and receive information from MidJourney. We can get info about our accounts, change setting, etc. So let's now check most popular commands. You can easily switch between fast and relaxed mode. Just type in /fast and send it to MidJourney bot or /relaxed. You can get info about your user profile, subscriptions you have, etc. by typing comment /info. And here you can see your user profile. You can also get help from MidJourney by typing /help. And it will give you a nice help menu with website option, basic commands, extra options, direct messages, and others. Something similar to it is comment /ask. After /ask, you can ask MidJourney bot specific questions. For example, how to exclude something from my final image. It will think and give you a wide answer. Also, one of the most useful commands is /settings. It will show you your personal setting. It allows you to change MidJourney default settings. And the last command for today is /prefer suffix. This command allows you to lock in a parameter which you always want to use in your generations. Like, for example, if you always want to create a landscape, so pictures with resolution 16:9, instead of adding --AR 16:9 every time, you can just type prefer suffix, then --AR 16:9, and send it to MidJourney bot. And it will always create for you pictures with resolution 16:9. Let's try it. And here is our result. As you can see, it will always use a suffix AR 16:9. If you one day want to remove this suffix, you can just easily type /prefer suffix to a MidJourney bot and send it without anything after it. And then MidJourney will remove this suffix. Again, those are basic commands of MidJourney. And you can always check MidJourney website to check what is new. See you in the next video.